Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the DramaBox mod for 2025 unlimited coins on iOS and Android. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it's pretty simple. There's a website called Zoom Mods. They have tons of modded apps. Come to this site and just type in DramaBox. And as you can see, it should come up. There it is. So press down button and it downloads it onto your device. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification we got to do, which is pretty easy. We just got to download some apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. And this will install the DramaBox mod onto your device. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it's going to say, please install 2 free apps to automatically install it. So there's going to be around 4 of them to choose from. You just press on it, you press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the app store. You're going to be all set. Now bear in mind, each app has its own instructions. So this one says down and run for 30 seconds, but then this one's different. So make sure you read that. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, I don't know, you might have different apps. So be sure to try it out though. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super wild, bro. DramaBox is so expensive. And now I was just able to install the DramaBox mod and get unlimited, guys. That is so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting free coins in DramaBox. This actually works, guys. So yeah, pretty wild stuff. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool and it fully works. So I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but like, why would you use it when you can just install the mod and get rich? Like, it's crazy, bro. So yeah, all you have to do is complete that verification and you guys should be all set. I don't know what apps you're going to see, but I hope my video was clear enough on how to do it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video and peace out.